Hey, how's it going? This is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how to turn your website into a lead generation machine and really generate some revenue for your business month over month. Now, to do that, we first have to understand how are people finding roofing businesses in your area. And if you're like me or other people, chances are you go on Google, type in whatever service or industry you want, plus your city name, and pick from whatever results are down below or whatever results are in this map pack here. And this seems to be a pretty popular thing. As you'll notice at the top here, there's about 3,600 searches or 3,600 searches a month for Denver roofing. And if we put our business at the forefront of those searches, we can guarantee that 3,600 people every single month see our business first before looking at another competitor. However, in order to do that, we first have to do a few different things. So first off, we'll need to build out our content as content is king on Google. So let's take a look at one of our competitors and see what they're doing as far as content goes. So here we have A Denver Roofing, and you'll notice that as we go through their website, they do have a little bit of content build out. And although they don't have the maximum amount of content that I would recommend, the content that they do have is filled with keywords and phrases. Now, keywords are the most used words or phrases on a web page, and based on these keywords, we're going to tell Google vital information about our business, such as, what we do, where we operate from, and ultimately who we are. And this is going to help them put us in searches related to our business, such as high volume search terms or business terms, such as Denver roofing. So we really want to make sure that not only do we have a lot of content, I should say more content than our competitors, but also that it remains relevant with the proper keywords. So ultimately, let's go back to your website and see what you're doing as far as content and keywords go. So we're on your website and you'll notice that you do have some content here, but once again, we always want to go bigger and better than our competition. So not only do we want more content on our website, but we also want that content to be filled with keywords and phrases that are relevant to those high volume search terms to really make sure that we appear for each one. However, now if I told you that content and keywords were the only things that we needed, I would be lying to you because ultimately we need backlinks and citations as well to really push our website forward in the rankings. Normally, the way I would like to look at it is that content and keywords help lay the foundation, while backlinks helps give us that big push to get ahead of our competition. So let's take a look at our competition's backlink structure and see what we can find out about what they have currently. So here we are on a tool I use called Ahrefs, and if you take a look here, you'll notice that your competitors have almost built out 1,000 links to their website, and it's really been able to generate some power for them, as you'll see that they also bring in about 2,000 users every single month and about $50,000 worth of traffic value month over month. And this is a direct result of both their website's internal factors, such as their keywords and content, as well as their overall backlink structures. And now you really have to ask yourself, what would $50,000 worth of value month over month do for your business? So definitely something to think about. And you see the clear correlation between a strong internal and external SEO structure. But let's go back to your website's external SEO structure and see what you've been working with so far. So once again, we're back in Ahrefs, and you'll notice that you only have about 203 different backlinks to your site. And while it's generating you some power here, ultimately you're only getting about 63 users per month and a traffic value of about $300. And it's not really creating the value that you need because once again, we really need to go bigger and better in every single aspect to really go in and outrank our competitors and really generate some revenue for our business. So before I cut this video, there was one more thing that I mentioned, which was citations. Now, citations are going to be very important because they deal with the Google Map Pack, and they're really everywhere that our business name, address, and phone number is listed online. So to give you some popular examples of citations, we have like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, Instagram, all those are different citations you can get for your business, and they all help with the Google Map Pack. So what we're going to do next is take a look at the top companies in the Google Map Pack. So if we scroll up here, you'll see these companies, and let's take a look at how many citations each one of them has. So you'll notice that we have your competition here in a tool I have called White Spark, and you'll see that Denver Roofing Inc. has 27 citations, A Denver Roofing has 56, and lastly we have Denver Roofers LLC with 25. Now, this is another aspect that we really want to go big in, so I recommend doubling the biggest number in here. So if there's 56 citations, we are going to need 112, along with the other factors that we talked about to really make some massive improvements to the amount of revenue your website is creating for you month over month. Now, that's all I really have for you in this video. I hope it was very helpful. Once again, my name is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads. Feel free to set up a meeting with me to talk about any questions you have or any concerns you have about this video. But once again, I hope this was very educational, and thank you for watching.